What are the steps in dividing by a multiple of 10? Think about this question during the lesson. This year, a group of 249 students are taking a field trip. One bus is needed for every 20 students. How many buses are needed? What operation should you use to find the number of buses needed? Divide to find the number of buses. Find 249 divided by 20. Can you use compatible numbers to determine an estimate? Yes, 240 and 20 could be used as compatible numbers. So, about 12 buses are needed. Now, find the exact answer. Divide the tens. Bring down the ones. Divide the ones. What is different about the last bus as compared with the other buses? Since the remainder is 9, one more bus is needed. A total of 13 buses are needed for the field trip. Is the answer reasonable? Yes, the answer is reasonable since 13 is close to the estimate of 12. Now you know how to divide by multiples of 10.